It's been a while. Yun naman yung linya ko every time I open this goddamn camera. Anyway, wow, harsh. Okay, wow, I feel like my skin is so dry. Anyway, I am on my way to pick up Ate Angela because we are going to watch Spring Awakening and hindi pa ako nagkakape. So I fear I will fall asleep if I don't get coffee. So that's why I'm just at a drive-thru to get coffee. Tapos, what the hell was the last time I filmed? I filmed kasi yung mindset ko when I was in Singapore was I will lump all of these videos in just one Singapore vlog, which is in a span of 2 years. Ayun, na-miss ko na naman si Karil. And then, nag-pickleball kami ulit. Tapos, it's so funny kasi, so, may steps goal na ako. Tapos, there's a day na, so sobrang layo ko pa. So, okay, maglalakad ako dito sa area namin. Tapos, may nagpipickleball dun sa baba. So, I'm like, oh my gosh, should I activate the extrovert in me and actually make friends? Just to play pickleball? Or no? Abangan if magkaka-ano yun. But in the meantime, ayun, the steps and the running muna yung goal natin. Girl, ano ba yan? So, bukas, I need to run tomorrow. That's a must. And yeah, natiging si Papa and Papa are there. And so, we're busy lang namin since Friday. Kasi nga, I have so many things I want. Finally, mapapagawa ko na. Because now I have the budget. And may time na, ayun nga, nandyan sila for like, actually, definitely, wala silang ticket pa uwi. So, I'm so excited for the sink. Because, okay, ayokong sad akong naghuhugas ng pig. So, yung sink kasi is tiny. And, asa mo na ang daming hulugasan ng pinggan, dishes and everything. Nasasad talaga ako pag naghuhugas ako ng pinggan, mas maliit na yung sink ko. So, papapalitan ko siya into like a deep and wider sink. Kasi nga, ayaw ko sad ako naghugas ng pinggan. Akala mo naman sobrang like, restaurant kitchen tipo yung sink. Pero, honestly, on a day-to-day basis, it will greatly improve my mental health by just getting my sink changed. Okay, that's number 1. Tapos, syempre yung tatay ko naman, this phone stand, by the way, pinalitan yung phone stand ko kasi gusto niya high-tech siya. So, this phone stand has like a button on the side na ilalagay ko lang siya. Tapos, sabi ko, okay, sige, siya na bahala, siya nag-install and everything. Tapos, he informed me that he has one at home na nag-tilt na nakaka-landscape. Sabi ko, totoo? Ayun, dami talaga siya na-discover. So, yun. Binilan niya na ako. Wait, may coffee's here. Okay, coffee secured. Tapos, what the hell was I saying? Ayun. So, binilan niya din daw ako nung nag-flip na sa landscape. And I've been telling you na sobrang attached ko talaga sa landscape videos because of the YouTube format. Tapos, and that's the only reason why I would ever want to upgrade this phone is if the perfect phone really is an iPhone mini-sized phone na may center stage. Para lang I can take my videos, naka-portrait yung phone ko, and another video is landscape. That's such a small thing, but I know Apple will never do that for me. Anyway, so we'll see if mabigay niya ngayon and ma-set up niya properly because I think the angle is gonna be quite weird kasi pag ganun siya mag-flip, that's not really an issue. Bahala na. She will still yap no matter what happens. Ayun. So, now that I've got my coffee, legit na talaga. Tapos, I think there was a lot of time na na-miss ko from the time na, yeah, that was just the time that I was always wearing red. Parang distinctly talaga yung Lunar New Year. I think hanggang nung when we went on Friday, naka-red pa rin ako noon. But I think nalabas ko naman na siya sa system ko. So, we'll hold off on that for a bit. Anyway, malulusot lang ako kasi it's easier to go wherever I need to go through here. Tapos, ooh, I might know who owns this car. Okay, sobrang chismosa. Anyway, yeah. Oh, wait, we ka pa din. Ito lang. Tapos, ano bang i-debrief ko pa? I really think, paano ba? Wait, just get that caffeine, a little bit of it in my system. Wow, wait lang. This is why caffeine should be like an illegal substance. Sabi ko magdi-debrief ako about the One Republic concert experience. First of all, Mr. Ryan Tedder, bakit ka naman magko-comment? Because there was this part in the concert na, because he sometimes sings, he always does this, na he sings songs na he co-wrote, or like the band co-wrote, or like actually produced and everything. So one of them is Halo. I've heard him sing Halo before live. Tapos, so as he was setting up to sing Halo, so nag-comment siya, syempre, like, obviously I'm not gonna be able to sing this as good as Beyonce, sabi niya. But maybe in this room, yes. Sabi niya, sorry, the code switching is causing an error in me. Gusto kong maghiligay nun. Tapos, so he was saying, but maybe in this room, I might be the best one to do it. But maybe, actually no, maybe a couple of Filipinos could do it better than me. Tapos, and then he continues to praise, Filipino singing. And I'm like, sir, you continue to do this, and then walang Manila stop? Bakit mo pinapunta dito? I know it's like a first world problem, pero like, sir, parang acknowledge mo naman yung Pilipinas, tapos hindi kayo magsa-stop sa Philippines? Crime. Yun lang, parang ako naiinis ako the entire time he was doing that spiel, kasi parang, walang Manila stop. Na-intimidate ka ba sa crowd? Anyway, obviously, he was phenomenal as always. Grabe talaga ang choices ni Mr. Ryan Tedder when he does his runs. And also, I am actually quite obsessed right now with Life in Color Slow Down, or ano ba? Basta yung arrangement na Life in Color, it was like acoustic lang na version. And Life in Color kasi, it's like a psychedelic song. Parang ganun yung yung vibe niya. Tapos, kasi madami siyang bells and whistles at the back. Pero ni Sarip, parang naano ko. Parang, wow, as an adult, that song kinda hits a bit different. Or I think he was steering it up lang to the crowd as a, I don't know, I can't explain it, pero feeling ko it just hits a little bit different. Siyempre na yak ako slide sa I Lived. That song also, my relationship with that song has changed. Parang dati, how am I gonna explain this? Debrief talaga. Ngayon lang to siya naka-debrief. Kasi naman, ayan, segue muna before that. I landed here 12 a.m. ng Wednesday. Tapos, dumating yung parents ko at like 6 a.m. So, I was like, wala akong time pa at all just for myself. As an introvert, that means hindi pa ako nakaka-recharge. Since last 2 weeks ago, parang ganun. So, parang feeling ko lang this time in my car alone is my introvert recharge time. Okay, which brings me back to, dun sa I Lived and my relationship with that song. Kasi, Native came out, I think it was 4th year high school, or is it, basta that song, that album, honest to God, probably got me through 1st year of college. Tapos, basta as someone na I mean, ngayon ko lang din siya napaprocess. At the times, like, really doubting, like, my life choices. At 17. Pero syempre, di ba, your universe is quite tiny. And feeling mo, because I went I went to LaSalle alone. Wala akong kaklase nung high school when I went there. And I think I'm like one of the only people. No, I mean, other people probably did it. Pero like in terms of like barkada ko, wala talaga akong friends. Na like, I went to it like, I'm alone. Tapos feeling ko at the time, hindi ko pa siya pinaprocess at all. Pero like, may part lang sa head sa did I make the wrong choice? Kasi nga, parang feeling ko in my blood, parang, and everyone else was like expecting me to go to UP. And I was halfway there, and like literal, andun na. And then it's just that the offer of the free dormitory was too hard to pass off. So parang as in, I don't know, feeling ko, my mom keeps telling me this story na I used to call her na umiiyak ako. I don't remember this happening. Like, she keeps insisting that I called her crying. I'm like, that doesn't sound like me. Na umiiyak. Pero honestly, now that I really think about it, my chance that I could have just wiped that from my memory. And so, which brings me sa, when I listened to I Lived as a 17-year-old, parang may portion sa na, I feel like I'm letting this song down. Because I'm like, I made this choice. I need to like take all the risks and do everything, ganyan. But as a 17-year-old girl, life is, you're so young. And so, me, hearing it again live at almost 30, kind of hits different. So, I don't know. Thank God for that album talaga. That's my segue. Wow, good afternoon. Ay, nako. Ayun. This last year was really the worst. So, tinatry ko lang din siya pakiramdaman how I'm feeling and like just keeping in touch with everything. Pero I think I'm in a much better place to handle shit. So, sana kayo rin. Wala naman. This seems too intimate. But if you ended up in this minute of the video, like, what the hell are you doing here? Hello. What have you been thinking about recently? Tell me. Because I have been thinking about that song. So 2 songs, I Lived and Life in Color. Once again, just 2 of the Native album. Actually, yeah. I mean, Artificial Paradise, na-appreciate ko siya now that I heard it live. And yeah, ayun lang. It was, I've seen them live 4 times na, pero I'm still not sick of it. Kasi the arrangement is different. Yun talaga actually yung it's hard to defend. Like my mom, like, ayan, nagpapa-uto ka na naman. And she keeps like, bakit napanood ba na sila before? Why do you keep watching them? Because the arrangement is different every time. You don't understand. It's like listening to your favorite songs for the first time. And feelings like that are so hard to come by. So I'm like, and so excited din ako about Spring Awakening because I know a little bit, like super tiny bit about this show. I just know that Jonathan Groff and Lea Michele, I'm not sure if they met on this one, but because they're like BFFs, diba? So but I don't actually know if I know any of the songs. So once again, I will be going into this blind, like with Shrek and with Alice in Wonderland. Na I haven't even debriefed Alice in Wonderland. Anyway, that's another time. But there was a specific moment in Alice in Wonderland that I really liked. My words. And so I'm so excited to make Spring Awakening my personality after watching for like a week, and then we'll see what happens after. Oh my god. And parang uulan pa. Don't be weather. Makiayos ka. Makiayon ka. Okay, that's 15 minutes. I really need to stop yapping. Goodbye.